Good morning, kids. Hello. Today we are going to begin a new unit. Yes, Unit 2, My School. You are going to name different classroom objects. But first, watch a video.
School supplies. What's in your backpack? It's my book. I can read. Book. Book. It's my notebook. I can write on it. Notebook. Notebook. These are my scissors. I can cut the paper. Scissors. Scissors. It's my glue. I can stick them with it. Glue. Glue. It's my tape. I can put them with it. Tape. Tape. Is this your pencil case? Yes, it is. Pencil case. Pencil case. What's in your pencil case? These are my pencils and pens. I like to write. Pencil. Pencil. Pen. Pen. It's my eraser. I can erase and write again. Eraser. Eraser. It's my highlighter. I can mark with it. Highlighter. Highlighter. It is my ruler. I like to measure. Ruler. Ruler. These are my color pencils. I can draw a rainbow. Color pencil. Color pencil. There are things for school in my backpack. Review. Book.
Book.
Notebook.
Notebook.
Scissors.
Scissors.
Glue.
Glue.
Tape.
Tape.
Pencil case.
Pencil case.
Pencil.
Pencil.
Pen.
Pen.
Eraser.
Eraser.
Highlighter.
Highlighter.
Ruler.
Ruler. Now we are going to practice the new words, okay? Is this a pencil? No, it's not. Is this a pen? No. What's this? Yes, it's a table. It's a table, a brown table. Is this a chair? No, it's not. What's this? Yes, it's a book. Book, a green book. And what's this? Yes, it's a chair, a brown chair. Is this an eraser? Yes, it's an eraser, a blue and white eraser. And what's this? Yes, it's a pen, a red pen. And what's this? Yes, it's a pencil. Very good. Pencil. Please take out your pupil's book and open at page 10. Pupil's book, page 10. Unit 2, My School. Do you remember who's she? Yes, she's Susie. And who's he? Yes, it's Simon. Very good. Can you see a star? Find the star. Yes, here it's a star. Very good, a blue star. Okay, now listen and point.
Pupils Book, page 10. 1. Listen and point.
Ooh, Simon, is that your bag?
Yes, it is.
It's yellow.
Yes, it is. And my pencil's red.
Is your eraser red too?
No, it isn't. It's green.
And what colour's your pen?
It's blue, Susie.
Oh, and
Here, Susie, look at this. It's my Maskman book.
wow! Thanks, Simon.
One more time, listen again.
Pupils Book, page 10. 1. Listen and point.
Ooh, Simon, is that your bag?
Yes, it is.
It's yellow.
Yes, it is. And my pencil's red.
Is your eraser red too?
No, it isn't. It's green.
And what colour's your pen?
It's blue, Susie.
Oh, and
Here, Susie, look at this. It's my Maskman book.
wow! Thanks, Simon.
Good. Now you are going to answer some questions. Look at the picture. What color is Simon's bag? Yes, yellow. It's yellow. And what color is the eraser? Green. Very good. Green. And what color is the table? Brown. It's brown. And what color is the pencil? Yes, it's red. And what color is the chair? Yes, it's purple. The chair is purple. And what about the pen? Yes, it's blue. Very good. Good job, kids. Okay, activity 2. You are going to listen and repeat.
Pupils Book, page 10. 2. Listen and repeat.
Table.
Table,
Book,
book,
Chair.
chair,
eraser,
eraser,
Pen.
pen,
pencil,
pencil. Okay, now it's your turn. Listen and repeat.
10. 2. Listen and repeat.
Table.
Book,
Chair.
eraser,
Pen.
pencil.
Very good.
Pupils Book,
And now take out your activity book and open at page 10. Activity book, page 10. For this activity, you need your colors, okay? You are going to listen and color. But first, let's practice the vocabulary words. What's this? Chair. It's a chair. It's a pencil. Very good. It's a table. And this is an eraser. And this is a book. And the last one, this is a pen. Very good. Chair, pencil, table, eraser, book, and pen. Are you ready? Okay. Listen and color.
Activity book, page 10. 1. Listen and colour. The table is red.
Is it the table? No. Is this the table? Yes. What color the table? Very good. Red. Color the table red. Good.
The chair is orange.
The eraser is pink.
The pen is blue.
The book is green.
The pencil is yellow.
Okay, listen again one more time.
Page 10. 1. Listen and colour. The table is red.
The chair is orange.
The eraser is pink.
The pen is blue.
The book is green.
The pencil is yellow.
Now take out a red color. You are going to check the answers, okay? Number 1. What color is the chair? Yes, orange. The chair is orange. The pencil is yellow. The table is red. The eraser is pink. The book is green. And the pen is blue. Good job, kids. Next activity, activity 2. On this activity, you are going to draw your table. Here, you are going to draw your table. But first, look at the example. This is the example. This is Miss Paola's table. Okay? And look, she has a pen and an eraser. Okay? Here, you are going to draw your table and the things that you have on your table. The objects that are on your table. ¿Ok? Para que no quede ninguna duda, aquí vas a dibujar lo que en este momento tú tienes sobre tu escritorio. ¿Ok? You draw, and when you finish to draw your materials, you color. This is the homework, okay? The homework. For this homework, you need pencil and colors. First, with your pencil, you are going to follow the lines. This is a chair, and this is the other chair. And when you finish, you color the classroom objects. Okay? Esta es la tarea. This is for homework. Okay? Follow the lines and color the lines with your pencil, and then you color all the classroom objects. Okay? Good. And that's all. See you next class. Bye-bye.